Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to log out of YouTube account. So in order to log out, you must first own the application. I already have mine, so I'm directly gonna go and tap on my YouTube application. Now you'll have to go and tap on the profile icon at the top right. Now you'll have to go and tap on manage your Google account option that is written in blue alphabets. Then you get to this page where you'll have to go and tap on the downward arrow that is just at the side of your Gmail ID. So once you tap on that arrow, you get to this page where you'll have to go and tap on manage account on this device at the end. So here you'll have to go and choose the account that you want to log out from. So I'm gonna go and choose the account that I want to log out from. And once you choose the account, you'll have to go and tap on the remove account option that is written just below your Gmail ID. It will confirm that removing the account will delete all the information. If you still want to remove the account, you'll have to go and tap on remove account. And that is how you get logged out of YouTube. Now you can go back and refresh your YouTube to see that there is no profile logged in. So that is it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for joining in.